Samsung had already announced the screen at the developers conference where the first Samsung foldable phone was shown. The Infinity U and the Infinity V displays were unveiled for smartphones with a U and V-shaped notch. And yeah, this is the time where Samsung is going to launch its first smartphone with the notch, and this smartphone will be called Samsung Galaxy M20. Yeah guys, this is the official first ever look of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy M20. According to All About Samsung, the Galaxy M will have at least two models, including the Galaxy M20 and the Galaxy M30. The phone will feature an Infinity U screen that proposes a notch similar to what's available on phones like the OnePlus 6T or the Huawei Mate 20. The Galaxy M devices, however, are not flagships. Instead, we are looking at budget-friendly smartphones, but they are going to offer buyers features that are usually found on flagship devices, including the all-screen design and the dual-lens camera on the back. A newly assigned patent shows that Samsung is considering more notch variants. Halfway through this year, Samsung Display has submitted 6 design patents to the KIPO, Korean Intellectual Property Office. The patents were approved on 10th December 2018 and show various Samsung Galaxy phone with notch. In some variants, the notch extends to the upper screen edge. In some variants, the notch extends to the upper screen edge. The design seems to be a bit of a combination of the Infinity O and Infinity U display. The notch is connected to the upper screen edge so that it cannot be called an Infinity O screen. However, it is such a small and round hole that the notch is significantly smaller than the drop-shaped notch of the Infinity U display. Let's Go Digital made this concept of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy M20 and M30. So just look at this phone, looks damn beautiful and gorgeous because this will provide us a bigger display and cheaper price. So if we talk about its camera, the Galaxy M20 will have single lens camera on the front featuring an 8 megapixel sensor, while the dual camera on the back has 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel sensors. Also on the back of the phone we'll have a fingerprint sensor which is now located in a right position. Here we have a leaked screen protector of the M20 which proves Samsung is actually making a smartphone with notches. According to All About Samsung, also notes the smartphone will have a massive 5000 mAh battery which should come in handy in those markets that Samsung is targeting with his new affordable phone. So yeah, this is possibly the official first look of the Samsung Galaxy M20. So yeah, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.